Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are on the video mode. We can switch it to photo mode, whatever, it does not really matter. All we have to do is to enter the settings. But before we will do that, I just wanted to draw your attention to the green lines I've applied them before I've started recording, because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. So all we have to do, as I said, is to enter the settings in the right upper corner and now enter more settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find this reset option, tap on confirm, and as you can see we just got back to the camera, and this is the very first evidence that we've reset all the settings, the camera settings, because we've got this privacy statement which appears after opening the camera for the very first time. Again, the second evidence, the camera location, the access to the location. And finally the green lines, which are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.